guys, today I'm playing Roblox Rivals with my
We'd like to invite you for the next hour or so,
So excited for
live from our
Christmas.
studios
I know,
here.
right? Wala istorya ka, Billy ka naman nakikinig.
Bakit ako magagalit sa iyo?
Children's Month ay Balik TV na ang
Tell the Filipino who at the tip of his tongue if he connect with a big one.
Welfare Act ang lalaking bumaha sa umano sa inahing baka sa Cavite. At ito po mga
The formal inaugural of the ABS-CBN Broadcasting Corporation.
Hey, Cookie Fans! I've got Plastic, I've got Ryan, and I've got Chad here, and it looks like we're hungry, so I think we're gonna go and get some food.
I am like really hungry.
I love food.
You always be to the Filipino voice. Remaining true to our reason for being in the service of the Philippines.
ay Balik TV na.
Lumipas at magbago man ang panahon, sa isip at pananaw, sa puso at diwa ng Pilipino, iisa ang ibig sabihin ng telebisyon. ABS-CBN, 50 taon nang naglilingkod sa sambayanang Pilipino.